to download data from Vrbo, follow these simple steps to ensure you can access the information you need efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Vrbo website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access the data you want to download. Step 2. Navigate to your listings. Once logged in, go to the My Listings section. This area contains all the properties you manage and the associated data you may want to download. Step 3. Access data options. Select the listing for which you want to download data. Look for an option that says Export Data or Download Reports. This will typically be found in the Settings or Management options for the listing. Step 4. Choose Data Format. After selecting the Export option, you may be prompted to choose the format for the data download, such as CSV or Excel. Select the format that best suits your needs for analysis or record keeping. Step 5. Download the file. Once you have made your selections, click on the Download button. The file will be generated and saved to your device. Check your Downloads folder to access the data. By following these steps, you can easily download the data you need from Vrbo. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Vrbo support for assistance.